Okay, love. Bye. I'm pushing you out. Palayasin na natin ito, guys, kasi kailangan ng lumayas. Wala akong nagawa sa kahintay dito. Sige na, bye na.
Bye on.
No, I'm just joking. Okay, so now what do you wanna bring? He's leaving me. Ay, aalis na naman ito. Lalayas na naman. Layas-layas ang Mr. Nate. Mirian. So, kailangan kong maglabas. Punta sa labas. Pero natagalan ako, guys. Alas 11 na ng umaga. Diba, nagdala siya. Magdala siya. He's bringing some, I don't know. Bring the chicken, love.
I am.
No, you cannot do that. Why you do that?
Why? Stand up.
Tubig ang ginadala, diba? It's, look, this is good, guys. Because now he has water in the glass. That's all. Hello, what is this?
That's the thing I made yesterday.
Hello. He made a smoothie last night and then he bring it. It's not good anymore. You know that?
Why not? Well, it's watery because the ice turned to watery, but whatever.
He's funny. You're funny, darling.
Yeah.
I love you.
Love you too.
Be careful, huh? Where's your laptop? I'll get your laptop. So, si Inday Mirian is going to work outside. Need cleaning up, guys. Gee. And I need to buy mulch also. Individual bag. I'm not buying bulk. Because it's tiring to buy bulk. I need to mulch in the front. Tao ng akong tummy. He likes orange. Look at this table. Very orangey.
Love you on. Have a good day. Throw that bag in the garbage. That's all moldy carrots and apples.
Okay. Careful. I'll talk to you later.
Yeah. Bags in the back seat.
Yes. Watch. Do you have? I love you.
Love you too.
I'll talk to you later.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye-bye. Dito na naman ako sa labas. Nagtanaw, tinitignan ko yung yard. Kasi may nagdidig ba? Guys, skunk mandi ay. Alam niyo kung anong oras na? Almost 12 o'clock. Ito na lang yung drama ko palagi. Kasi guys, gusto ko talagang malaman kung sino yung nagdig dito. Anong klaseng hayop, ganon. Sus, skunk pala. Look, andun oh. Ay nako, talagang buhay na to. Kang iskang ito. Yan pala yung nagdig dito. Sabi pa ninyo, dapat papasok na ako sa bahay. Okay lang naman maginaw ngayon. Okay lang naman kung nasa labas ng bahay. Kapag sure ka na walang tao. And then, yun. Pag meron ka nang naririnig na mga tumatakbo, yung parang tik, that means takbo ka rin sa loob kasi may tatakbo patungo sa'yo, maybe bear, coyote, gano'n. So, yun siya. Wala si Tommy, guys. Wala siya. So, pauwi na siya, kaya andito ako sa labas. Pero, ngayon nakita ko na yung kung sino yung nagdig sa ating ano. Yun. Look, andun, oh. Psst! Andun, oh. Shh. Animas. Siya pala yung nagdig dito. Nakita ninyo? Hindi man ako takot, guys. Yun ang daming nagsasabi na, ay, nakakatakot yung ganyan. Hindi po ako takot. Matakot lang ako pag may tao. At saka nasa loob ako and then meron akong naririnig. Yun, matakot ako. You don't say bye to me. And it breaks my heart. Dung, unsa na oras, Dung? Unsa na oras, Dung, ha? You want your laptop here? Unsa na oras, guys? Ano lang oras ni Dung Tami? Pang dilim-dilim naman dito, guys. Let's go. Diba? Kanina pa tayo naghintay. Nag-shopping pa talaga, guys. This is shopping with your kids are watching you. We're waiting like crazy. Where's Dada? Dada's not home yet. Why it takes forever for Dada to get home? Diba? saya-saya. Tignan natin kung ano yung na-shopping niya, guys. Siya kada uwi niya, meron dyan na siyang bit-bit, guys. Merong bit-bit. Tignan natin, be. Oh, I don't like, hala. Murkamatis, han. Murkamatis, guys, oh. Kamatis, hala. Orange. I don't like the banana there. Look, ang daming prutas, guys. Hala. Hala, this orange is abnormal, hon.
It's orange.
Tangerine?
Not tangerine, orange.
Orange, right?
Yes.
They're big.
Orange is supposed to be big.
No, but this is abnormal.
It's not clementine. Clementine is small. Tangerine is small.
No, this abnoy. Abnoy, honey, abnoy. Oh, I know there's so much medication. So much, fertilizer ba? Na pag mamili ka ng prutas, guys, pag ang is 412. Kapag mag-start na og 4, niya 4 lang ang number, guys, delikados katawan. So, dapat, ang mga binibiling prutas is yung 9 at 5 ang number. Nag-start sa 9 and then 5 ang number. Ang pinaka-worst is 4 ang number and then 3 ang pinaka-start. Ito siya, masama pa rin. Kasi 4. Dapat 9. Niya, 5 ang number. And then, ito yung pinakapangit na banana nila, guys. Iwan ko na lang itong bana ko, eh. Look, sus. Makaingon na lang dito ko na itong aking asawa is I know he wants coffee. So, handito na siya. Last night, you didn't say bye to me. This morning,
This
morning, you didn't say bye to me. And it breaks my heart. What are you doing now?
I'm gonna do something.
The tomato?
No.
What are you doing? Oh my goodness, he left me this morning. The thing I only ask is the...
I'm not waking you up at 3 o'clock in the morning. No. I'm not doing it.
That's it,
If you
one
wake-
kiss,
if
you
wake-
mush the cat.
I don't wish him. He claws me. I just give him food. You wake up. That's one thing. I'm not waking you up.
You have to say bye, I love you, take care, have a good day. You? What if I don't wake up this morning? You would say, oh, I wish I said bye to my
You're like,
wife.
wow, I feel so good. I slept so long. I feel great.
No, what if I never wake up? And then you will say, holy cow, I don't even say bye to my wife. Hala. Milkshake. With what? Tomato?
Tomato.
But- Oh, the banana is not good. Ew.
I've been dying for shakes. I like the banana and orange.
Not good to eat fruits before go to bed, you know. Oh. Smart. Who's smart now? Banana orange smoothie.
It's gonna need more, but
That's good.
I should start with that. I don't. If it gets too full, it won't crush the ice.
No, well, there's a lot of space there. You put it so tight.
Yes.
Can you turn the light? Coffee. Ay, pag-ibig na this.
The milkshake without ice cream.
Careful. Wala, oy. Na. Ito yung pagka excited, ha? Excited?
Well, let's see how it comes out. I haven't done this in 100 years, so put a little cinnamon in it. No, I don't want to. Try it.
Okay, fine. No.
No? Too much orange?
Too much banana. No orange. You don't taste orange. You can just put orange in it, honey, and mix
Orange will
it.
make it sweet.
Put orange in it. I'll put your coffee in there. My husband,
I thought I put a lot of orange.
no, it's not. Do you want that in the refrigerator?